We've just looked at counting atoms and formulas. Let's use that skill to now determine the molar mass for different compounds. So to do this, we're going to use the periodic table, use average atomic masses for each of the elements. So in barium nitrate, we've got 1 barium times 137.33. And we've got 2 nitrogens times 14.01. And we've got 6 oxygens times 16.00. And that will add up to 261.35 grams per mole. Just a side note as we stop here, that's for the mass of 1 mole of barium nitrate. If we were to look at one formula unit, it'd be 261.35 AMU, atomic mass units per formula unit. Avogadro's number is what it is. It is that conversion factor between AMU and grams that allows us to use the same digits, if you will, for either on the atomic scale or on the macro scale. Just change the units from either AMU or to grams. Acetic acid, we've got 2 carbons, each worth 12.01, 4 hydrogens, each worth 1.01, that gives 4.04, and 2 oxygens, each worth 16. So we add those all up. That's not right.